Most of my development experiences has been working with offshoring assignments or distributed agile teams. And I would like to share some of my experiences or what we call common successful patterns that helped me, or in this case, while working distributed mainly. As you've guessed, the most important one is communication. Most of the things that go wrong in distributed teams are due to the lack of communication. Documentation helps, but you cannot create a 500 pages functional specification or technical documentation and send it over to a team that is located 1,000 miles apart from you and expect them to deliver a working model of the specs that you have provided, at least how you've expected it to be. That doesn't work. You need to create a framework or set of tools to promote people to talk to each other frequently. The team needs to be trained to understand that when decisions are made, they need to be communicated properly. Be it requirement changes or technical decisions, small things like build failures, refactoring, etc. All team members at all locations should be able to track and see this. There are different tools that assist you in these kind of processes like TFS, GitHub, Jira, Slack, Trello that can be used to help in this process. With different time zones, to aid better communication, creating overlapping hours to facilitate periods for discussions, stand-ups, remote pairing sections, etc. helps. For better co-working, it's crucial to create as much overlapping time during the day as possible. Team members at different locations often fall back to using low bandwidth communication channels such as emails or documents, which generates large amount of lost or misunderstood information. Therefore, high bandwidth communication tools such as video conferencing or desktop sharing should be used as frequently as possible. You should keep in mind that face-to-face communication is the most effective than using emails or phone calls or something else like that. Apart from communication, following the agile development process and constantly monitoring and ensuring software quality is also very important in distributed teams. Unit test case statuses, code violations, coverage, etc. should be automatically calculated and reported constantly on a team dashboard to ensure that everyone understands and have the same information about the software quality and standards. Practices like continuous integration, continuous delivery, etc. are your best friends here. An automated deployment pipeline ensures that distributed teams are able to look at the same goals and work more integrated than usual. This eliminates the time spent to manually review and weight decisions, etc. And this is also very boring work which nobody in the team likes to do. Automation ensures that these repeated manual work can be performed continuously throughout the delivery process, ensuring quality is built into products and services from the beginning, which results in making less painful releases and helps reduce team burnout. My life as a distributed developer was much easier when we adopted practices like continuous delivery compared to the projects where we had distributed silos and manual work performed by individuals. And it's not just for the developers, but for everyone else involved in the project, because at the end, everyone in the team is happy with the quality of the work and improvement made to the delivery process due to automation.